হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ড, ওয়েলকাম টু নার্সেস ভয়েস চ্যানেল। তোমরা যারা এইমস নার্সিং বা অন্য যে কোনো নার্সিং অফিসার এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের জন্য প্রিপারেশান নিচ্ছ, তাদের বলে রাখি শুধুমাত্র এমসিকিউ বই বা থিওরি থরলি পড়ে গেলে হবে না। তার সাথে সাথে বিভিন্ন নার্সিং অফিসার এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপারও সলভ করতে হবে। এতে বিভিন্ন কোয়েশ্চেনের প্যাটার্ন জানতে পারবে এবং কী ধরনের কোয়েশ্চেন বারবার রিপিট হয় তাও জানতে পারবে। তো বন্ধুরা, যারা আমাদের চ্যানেলে নতুন এবং এখনও চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি, তারা এখনই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল বাটন দিয়ে দাও এবং ইমেজ বেস কোশ্চেনগুলি আমাদের শর্ট ভিডিওতে গেলে পেয়ে যাবে, সেখান থেকে প্র্যাকটিস করে নিও। আজ আমরা পাবলিক সার্ভিস কমিশন রিলেটেড পোস্ট অফ ক্লিনিক্যাল ইন্সট্রাক্টরের একটি পেপার ফিল আপ করবো, যেটি আন্ডার দ্য ডিরেক্টরেট অফ ইএসআই এমবি স্কিমে 2019-এ এসেছিল। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক। আজ আমাদের ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন হলো, আফটার ডেলিভারি অফ দ্য প্লাসেন্টা দ্য নার্স নোটিস দ্যাট ইট ইজ নট 100% intact. What is the nurse's first concern? Pulmonary congestion, hemorrhage, infection, or option D, tissue perfusion? Here the right answer is option B, hemorrhage. Question number 2. One subcenter is meant to cover how much population in hilly areas? 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, or 9,000? Here the right answer is option B, 3,000. Question number 3. A process of enabling the individual to know himself or herself is the guidance, counseling, tasking, or advice. Here the right answer is option A, guidance. Question number 4. Reason for obtaining an informed consent from pre-operative patient is to prevent infection, unconsciousness, legal issues, or none of the above. Here the right answer is option C, legal issues. Question number 5. The pathophysiologic problem in cirrhosis of liver causing esophageal varices is dilated esophageal varices, portal hypertension, ascites, angioedema, or loss of regeneration? Here the right answer is option B, portal hypertension. Esophageal varices are dilated submucosal distal esophageal veins connecting the portal and systemic circulation. They form due to portal hypertension, which commonly is a result of cirrhosis, resistance to portal blood flow, and increased portal venous blood inflow. Next, question number 6. Which patient is at highest risk for tachycardia? A healthy basketball player during warm exercise, a patient admitted with hypothermia, a patient with a fever of 103 degree Fahrenheit, or a 90-year-old male taking beta blocker? Here the right answer is option B, a patient with admitted with hypothermia. Next question, question number 7. Professional negligence, also known as malpractice, euthanasia, maloccurrence, or torticollis. Professional negligence, also known as malpractice. So option A is the right answer. Question number 8. Which of the following term denotes a menstrual cycle that is irregular of shorter duration than normal? Oligomenorrhea, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, or amenorrhea? Here the right answer is option C, metrorrhagia. Next question number 9. ASHA work at PHC level, district level, state level, or village level? ASHA work at village level. So option D is the right answer. Question number 10. Which of the following is a risk for preeclampsia? Twin pregnancy, primigravida, grand multipara, or all of the above? Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. All of the above options are right for risk for preeclampsia. Next question, question number 11. Which of the following setting an extremely depressed client can do best? Opportunities for decision making, simply daily routine, varied activities, or multiple stimuli? Here the right answer is option B, simple daily routine. Question number 12. Which of the following acts can a 1-year-old child perform? Sits down from a standing position, drinks from cup, speaks one or two words with meaning, or rings bell purposefully. Here the right answer is option C, speaks one or two words with meaning. Next question number 13. Conflict takes place when one is forced to choose between two negative goals. Approach, avoidance, approach, or multiple approach avoidance. Here the right answer is option B, avoidance. Next, question number 14. Clients with apnea experience difficult respiration requiring more effort, slowness of breathing, cessation of breathing that may be temporary, or option D, lack of oxygen to body tissue. Here the right answer is option C, cessation of breathing that may be temporary. Question number 15. A nurse uses long firm strokes distal to proximal while bathing patient's legs because it promotes venous circulation, it covers a large area of the leg, it completes care in a timely fashion, or option D, it prevents blood clots in leg. Here the right answer is option A, it promotes venous circulation. Question number 16. How should the patient be positioned to best palpate for lumps or tumors during an examination of the right breast? Supine with both arms overhead with palms upward, seeking with hands clasped just above the umbilicus, supine with right arm abducted and hang under the head and neck, lying on the right side abducting the right arm on the side of the body. Here the right answer is option C, supine with right arm abducted and hang under the head and neck. Next question, question number 17. A trade union can be regarded as primary group, secondary group, tertiary group, or reference group. Here the right answer is option B, secondary group. A trade union can be regarded as secondary group. Largeness of the size, secondary groups are relatively larger in size. City, nations, political parties, trade unions, corporations such as Rotary Club, Lions Club, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Society of Jesus, etc. are for the example of bigger in size. So option B, secondary group is the right answer. Question number 18. Which type of abortion is associated with sepsis, cramping, abdominal tenderness, and foul-smelling discharge? 3-egg abortion, complete abortion, spontaneous abortion, or septic abortion? Here the right answer is option D, septic abortion. Question number 19. 3C signs, coughing, choking, and cyanosis are the clinical features of lactose intolerance, cleft lip, pyloric stenosis, or tracheoesophageal fistula. 3C sign, coughing, choking, and cyanosis are the clinical features of tracheoesophageal fistula. So option D is the right answer. Question number 20. The habitual presence of a disease or infectious agent within a given geographical area is epidemic, pandemic, sporadic, or endemic. Here the right answer is option D, endemic. Question number 21. Collaboration in providing care to a group of patients under the direction of a professional nurse is case method, primary method, team method, or modular method. Here the right answer is option C, team method. Question number 22. A patient with right-sided hemiplegic and aphasia resulting from a stroke most likely has involvement of the brainstem, vertebral artery, left medial cerebral artery, or right medial cerebral artery. Here the right answer is option C, left medial cerebral artery. Question number 23. Coronary artery is the branch of the ascending aorta, subclavian artery, pulmonary artery, or femoral artery. Here the right answer is option A, ascending aorta. Coronary artery is the branch of the ascending aorta. Question number 24. The edema that occurs in nephrotic syndrome is due to increased hydrostatic pressure caused by sodium retention, decreased aldosterone secretion from adrenal insufficiency, increased fluid retention caused by decreased glomerular filtration, or decreased colloidal osmotic pressure caused by loss of serum albumin. Here the right answer is option D, decreased colloidal osmotic pressure caused by loss of serum albumin. Question number 25. Which is the most effective method for encouraging self-learning? Demonstration method, lecture method, observation method, or task method? Here the right answer is option C, observation method. Observation method is the most effective method for encouraging self-learning. Question number 26. Which structure are involved in the control of respiration? Pons and medulla, thalamus and epithalamus, somatic and sensory nervous system, or cerebellum and cerebrum? Here the right answer is option A, pons and medulla. Question number 27. Absent of speech and activities termed as autism, mutism, aphasia, or cretinism? Here the right answer is option B, mutism. Question number 28. Sample in a research is referred as representative of population, high risk target subject, high risk population, or population using a defined area. Here the right answer is option A, representative of population. Sample in a research is referred as representative of population. Question number 29. The ongoing or systematic assessment of students' achievement during the curricular program is known as summative evaluation, formative evaluation, intermediate evaluation, or concurrent evaluation. Here the right answer is option B, formative evaluation. Question number 30. A patient perceives that his face is distorted and his hands are becoming long. The term used to explain this condition is déjà vu, depersonalization, derealization, or jamais vu. Here the right answer is option B, depersonalization. Next, question number 31. The term placenta previa describes which of the following conditions? The placenta separates from the uterine wall. All or part of the placenta is positioned between the fetus and the cervix. The fetus is inferior to the placental position, or the placenta develops before the uterine lining is mature. Here the right answer is option A, the placenta separates from the uterine wall. Question number 32. Nursing care of the patient receiving intravenous infusion includes which of the following? Changing the IV catheter daily, changing the catheter every 8 hourly, increasing the rate to make up the correct amount which has not been infused at the end of the shift, or monitoring the flow rate at least every hour. Here the right answer is option D, monitoring the flow rate at least every hour. Question number 33. The nurse finds the ventroloquial injection site by locating the middle third of the lateral thigh, greater trochanter, anterior iliac spine and iliac crest, anterior aspect of the upper thigh, or acromion process and axilla. Here the right answer is option B, greater trochanter, anterior iliac spine and iliac crest. Question number 34. Which can minimize the education in a disturbed client, limiting unnecessary interactions with the client, increasing environmental sensory stimulation, discussing the reasons for suspicious beliefs, or ensuring constant staff support? Here the right answer is option A, limiting unnecessary interaction with the client, by which we can minimize the education in a disturbed client. Question number 35. A plan of care for a patient with COPD could include exercise such as walking, chronic oral corticosteroid therapy, high flow rate of oxygen administration, or breathing exercise that involve inhaling longer than exhaling. Here the right answer is option D. Question number 36. Acquainting stuff with the existing work environment is known as orientation, continuing education, skill training, or leadership training. Here the right answer is option A, orientation. Question number 37. A modifiable risk factor for the development of hypertension is A. Low calcium diet, excessive alcohol consumption, a family history of hypertension, or consumption of a high protein diet. Here the right answer is option B, excessive alcohol consumption. Question number 38. The functional unit of the kidneys are the collective duct, loop of Henle, glomerulus, or nephron. It's a very easy question. Here the right answer is option D, nephron. Question number 39. A nurse researcher interested in finding out the result of some procedure or method already in operation is most likely to use which of these survey approach? Comparative survey, evaluation survey, cross-sectional survey, or correlational survey? So here the right answer is option B, evaluation survey. Next, question number 40. While establishing a therapeutic communication with a child with autism, the nurse may encounter which of these problems? Hallucination, hearing impairment, clinging to others, or bizarre behavior? Here the right answer is option D, bizarre behavior. Next, question number 41. Head control is possible in an infant by 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months. Here the right answer is option C, 3 months. Head control is possible in an infant by 3 months. Question number 42. Perception is sensation plus memory, image, language, or interpretation. Perception is sensation plus option D is the right answer, interpretation. Perception is sensation plus interpretation. Question number 43. Which of the following describe the proper order of the cardinal movement of the lever, mechanism of lever? Engagement, internal rotation, dishing, flexion. Engagement, external rotation, dishing, extension. Engagement, extension, internal rotation, or flexion. And option D, engagement, flexion, internal rotation, extension, or external rotation. Here the right answer is option D, engagement, flexion, internal rotation, extension, and external rotation. Question number 44. Kangaroo mother care may be continued for a low birth weight baby up to baby has no sign of hypothermia, baby has regular breathing, baby gain weight around 2.5 kg, and baby has no sign of infection and taking feeding. Here the right answer is option C, baby gains weight around 2.5 kg. Question number 45. What does not contain glucose, calcium lactate, sodium bicarbonate, or sodium chloride? Here the right answer is option B, calcium lactate. What does not contain calcium lactate? Question number 46. Which of the body cells are mainly affected by HIV and causing immunosuppression? CD4 cell, platelet, RBC, or mast cell? Here the right answer is option A, CD4 cell. Question number 47. What should be the first action for a newborn baby? Suction, initiation of respiration, Apgar scoring, or physical examination? Here the right answer is option C, Apgar scoring. Question number 48. For prevention of hepatitis A, you decide to conduct health education activities. Which of the following is irrelevant? Use of sterile syringe and needle, safe food preparation and food handling by the vendors, proper disposal of human excreta and personal hygiene, or option D, immediate reporting of water pipe leaks and illegal water connection. Here the right answer is option C, proper disposal of human excreta and personal hygiene. Not C. Here A, B, C option is right. Option D, immediate reporting of water pipe leaks and illegal water connection is irrelevant. So here option D is the right answer. Question number 49. The movement of water through a selective permeable membrane is called facilitated diffusion, active transport, simple diffusion, or osmosis. Here the right answer is option D, osmosis. Question number 50. Neonatal period extends up to 21 days of life, 28 days of life, 30 days of life, or 35 days of life. Here the right answer is option B, 28 days of life. Question number 51. The vital aspect of nursing practice in relation to legal aspect is documentation, evaluation, implementation, or diagnosis. Here the right answer is documentation. A vital aspect of nursing practice in relation to legal aspect is documentation, record and reporting. Next question number 52. Hallucination is a disorder of perception, consciousness, memory, or thought. Here the right answer is option A, perception. Hallucination is a disorder of perception. Question number 53. A nurse accidentally gives a patient the medication that were ordered for the patient's roommate. What is the nurse's first priority? Complete an occurrence report, notify the healthcare provider, inform the head nurse for the error, or assess the patient for adverse effect. Here the right answer is option D, assess the patient for adverse effect. Question number 54. A 82 kg patient has a 45% TBSA burn. Using 4 ml per kg percent TBSA burn during the first 24 hours after a burn injury, the nurse would anticipate a fluid replacement of বার্ন পেশেন্টের পার্কলাইন ফর্মুলা অনুযায়ী 4 মিলিলিটার ইন্টু পার্সেন্টেজ অফ TBSA টোটাল বডি সারফেস এরিয়া বার্ন ইন্টু বডি ওয়েট কেজিতে. সো হিয়ার 4 ইন্টু 45 ইন্টু 82, সো 14,760 ml. এটা টোটাল 24 আওয়ার্সের মধ্যে আমাকে পেশেন্টকে দিতে হবে. সো অপশন ডি ইজ দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার. Question number 55. Teaching the patient with rheumatic fever about the disease, the nurse explained that rheumatic fever is a Streptococcus virigens infection, a viral infection of the endocardium and valves, a sequela of group A Streptococci infection, and frequently triggered by immunosuppressive therapy. Here the right answer is option C, a sequela of group A Streptococci infection. Question number 56. Positive Brudzinski and Carning sign are symptoms of meningitis, encephalitis, pneumonia, or glomerulonephritis. Positive Brudzinski and Carning sign are symptoms of meningitis. So option A is the right answer. Question number 57. In a severely anemic patient, the nurse would expect to find dyspnea and tachycardia, cyanosis and pulmonary edema, cardiomegaly and pulmonary fibrosis, or option D, ventricular dysrhythmias and wheezing. Here the right answer is option A, dyspnea and tachycardia. Question number 58. One packet of oral contraceptive pill contains 15 pills, 28 pills, 30 pills, or 25 pills. Here the right answer is option B, 28 pills. One packet of oral contraceptive pills contains 28 pills. Question number 59. Carning tears, which may occur as a complication of jaundice in a pathological condition of liver, brain, kidney, or heart. Here the right answer is option B, brain. Carning tears, which may occur as a complication of jaundice, is a pathological condition of brain. Question number 60. Teaching in relation to home management following a laparoscopic cholecystectomy should include keeping the bandage on the puncture sites for 48 hours, reporting any bile-colored drainage or pus from any incision, using over-the-counter antiemetics if nausea and vomiting occur, emptying and measuring the contents of the bile bag from the T-tube every day. Here the right answer is option A, keeping the bandage on the puncture site for 48 hours. A 2-month-old infant was brought to the health center for immunization. The infant's temperature registered at 38.1 degrees centigrade. Which is the best course of action that you will take? Go on with the infant's immunization, give paracetamol and wait for his fever to subside, Next, refer the infant to the physician for further assessment and advise the infant's mother to bring him back for immunization when he is well. Here, the right answer is option A. Go on with the infant's immunization. Question number 62. A common data collecting instrument in nursing research is interview, questionnaire, rating scale, or observation checklist. Here, the right answer is option B, questionnaire. Question number 63. Validity of a tool refers to feasibility, consistency, accuracy, or acceptability. Validity of a tool refers to option C, accuracy. Is the right answer. Question number 64. Attribute of good leader involves which of the following? Aware of member strength and weakness, suppress the voice guessing, don't hold accountability for wrongdoings, and option D, not sure about his skills. Here the right answer is option A, aware of member strength and weakness. Question number 65. Reba is a 39 years old woman who is experiencing secondary dysmenorrhea. The nurse knows that Reba could be suffering from which of the following? Amenorrhea, high level of progesterone, endometriosis, or Turner syndrome. Here the right answer is option C, endometriosis. Secondary dysmenorrhea including the endometriosis. Next, question number 66. The nurse is assessing a woman in labor. She knows that fetal bradycardia occurs when the heart rate drops below 120 beats per minute, 130 beats per minute, 110 beats per minute, or 100 beats per minute. Here the right answer is option C, 110 beats per minute. Question number 67. National Rural Health Mission was launched in the year April 1982, April 2005, September 2011, or April 2007. Here the right answer is option B, April 2005. Question number 68. BCG is a live attenuated vaccine, killed vaccine, toxoid, or immunoglobulin. Here the right answer is option A, live attenuated vaccine. Question number 69. Which sterilization method is best for destroying endospore? Autoclave, oven, refrigeration, or pasteurization? Here the right answer is option A, autoclave. Autoclave sterilization method is best for destroying endospore. Question number 70. One of the major assessment factors which determine the need to hospitalize a suicidal client in his inability to use effective coping strategy, understanding of the meaning of crisis, ability to express his feelings of crisis, expression of loud and opinionated behavior. Here the right answer is option D, expression of loud and opinionated behavior. Question number 71. What is the most effective way to control transmission of infection? Isolation precaution, identifying the infectious agent, hand hygiene practice, or vaccination? Here the right answer is option C, hand hygiene practice. Question number 72. The advantage of demonstration method is that it gives more emphasis on knowledge, it activates several senses, it is a substitute of lecture method, it is easier than other method. Here the right answer is option B, it activates several senses. Question number 73. The process of assessing staff members review, peer review, re-evaluation, or performance evaluation. Here the right answer is option D, performance evaluation. Question number 74. Among the following diseases, which is airborne? Option A, viral conjunctivitis, option B, acute poliomyelitis, option C, diphtheria, or option D, measles. Here the right answer is option D, measles. Next question number 75. Swine flu influenza is caused by the virus H1N1, H5N1, H3N1, or H3N2. Here the right answer is option A, H1N1. Question number 76. An interoception is kneading of the bowel into itself, telescoping of a proximal lobe of bowel into a distal lobe, a bank of connective tissue compressing the bowel, or option D, a protrusion of an organ. Here the right answer is option A, kneading of a bowel into itself. Question number 77. The nurse completes a cervical examination on her laboring mother. She determines that her patient's mother's cervix is 1 cm in length. How would the nurse describe this length? Here the right answer is option A, 50% FSC. The cervix is 1 cm in length, means 50% FSC. Question number 78. Normal average length of a term healthy newborn is 40 cm, 50 cm, 60 cm or 65 cm. Here the right answer is option B, 50 cm. Question number 79. Poor man's iron is known as wheat, pulses, cereal or jaggery. Here the right answer is option D, jaggery. Question number 80. Symptoms of social disorganization are failure of traditional control, role confusion, uncertainties or all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Next, question number 81. Which of the following tools used to measure students' procedure performance? Rating scale, anecdotal record, attitude scale or checklist? Here the right answer is option D, checklist. Checklist is the right answer. Question number 82. The first symptoms for open-angle glaucoma may be a sudden complete loss of vision, impairment of peripheral vision, sudden attacks of acute pain, or constant blurred vision. Here the right answer is option D, constant blurred vision. Question number 83. Which of the following signs indicate the need for sputum test for AFB? Hematemesis, fever for 1 week, cough for 3 weeks, chest pain for 1 week. Here the right answer is option C, cough for 3 weeks. Question number 84. What do you mean by incidence? Total cases of any disease, old cases of any disease, new cases of any disease or all of the above. Here the right answer is option C, new cases of any disease. Question number 85. The muscle layer of the heart is called the myocardium, endocardium, pericardium or parietal pericardium. Here the right answer is option A, myocardium. Question number 86. ASHA stands for Active Social Health Assistant, Assistant State Health Activist, Aggregate Social Health Activist or Aggregate Subcenter Health Assistance. Here the right answer is option C, Aggregate Social Health Activist. Question number 87. The nurse would increase the comfort of the patient with appendicitis by having the patient lie prone, flexing patient right knee, sitting the patient upright in a chair or turning the patient onto his or her left side. Here the right answer is option C, sitting the patient upright in a chair. Question number 88. The priority when providing oral hygiene to an unconscious patient is to prevent aspiration, prevent mouth odor, prevent dental caries or prevent mouth ulceration. Here the right answer is option A, prevent aspiration, because it is a life-threatening condition. Question number 89. The first effective antipsychotic drug was clopramazine, thioridazine, haloperidol or trifluperazine. Here the right answer is option A, clopramazine. The first effective antipsychotic drug, clopramazine. Question number 90. The variables those to be studied during the research are known as dependent variables, independent variables, intermediate variables or final variables. Here the right answer is option A, dependent variables. Question number 91. The type of delusion most commonly seen in manic patient is delusion of persecution, delusion of grandiosity, delusion of guilt or nihilistic delusion. Here the right answer is option B, delusion of grandiosity. Question number 92. What should be the primary concern in the case of rubella infection during pregnancy? Maternal ocular damage, gestational diabetes, maternal death, or birth defect? Here the right answer is option D, birth defect. Question number 93. Route of administration of vitamin K injection in a newborn: subcutaneous, intramuscular, intradermal, or intravenous? Here the right answer is option B, intramuscular. Question number 94. The nurse identifies a flail chest in a trauma patient when multiple refractures are determined by X-ray, a tracheal deviation to the unaffected side is present, paradoxic chest movement occurs during the respiration, or there is a decreased chest movement of the involved chest wall. Here the right answer is option C, paradoxic chest movement occurs during the respiration. Question number 95. Medical termination of pregnancy can be done up to 28 weeks, 20 weeks, 30 weeks, or 18 weeks. Here the right answer is option B, 20 weeks. Question number 96. Which of the following is the process by which the manager assigns specific duties? Coordination, communication, delegation, or supervision? Here the right answer is option C, delegation. Question number 97. The nurse explained to the patient with acute pancreatitis what is the most common pathogenic mechanism of the disorder is cellular disorganization, overproduction of enzymes, lack of secretion of enzymes, autoglycation of the pancreas. Here the right answer is option D, autoglycation of the pancreas. Question number 98. A patient with anemia would benefit from which diet? Vegetables, fish and pasta, nuts and seeds, fruits and soya products, grain cereals and organic vegetables, or legumes, meat, dark and green leafy vegetables? Here the right answer is option D. Legumes, meat, dark and green leafy vegetables are high rich in iron. So here the option D is the right answer. Question number 99. The nurse instructs patient discharge on anticoagulant therapy to limit intake of vitamin C, report symptoms of nausea to the physician, have blood drawn routinely to check the electrolytes, or option D, be aware of and report the signs or symptoms of bleeding? Here the right answer is option D, be aware of and report sign or symptoms of bleeding. And the last question. Question number 100. The census is taken at interval of once every 10 years, once every 20 years, once every 5 years, or option D, every year? Here the right answer is option A, once every 10 years. The census is taken at interval of once every 10 years. তো বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল আমাদের আজকের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার। এরকমই প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার পাওয়ার জন্য অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।